Verydarkman give person hand job. Not be the same man me and you take share cola for front of your papa grave. You like, I give you chop. You know chop cola with the same hand. Did you not eat cola with that hand? Did you not eat cola with that hand? Bunch of hypocrites, tribal bigots. That's what he is. Now let's go back to Seun and Showore. Inside the room, what do you say about the same Showore? When you come out, now can they talk about? What do you say about him? You, Seun, you don't talk him before. Say Showore, they go do protests because in they get international funding. You don't talk him before. Say Showore, they do protests to get international funding. You have said it. It's not as if Verydarkman they talk with you, you don't know. You know. You know. You know. You don't even believe in the Showore. Why did you go and, if you believe Showore, why you go do MOP? The party where Fela open, where they give you. Why did you go and stabilize it? Why did you go and politicize it 100%? Why didn't you say, come, let us join heads together and just join this AAC? You also did not believe in him. You also saw his movement as a fraudulent one. Come on. We don't do as if we don't know what they happen now. All of us know what they talk about. Do you understand? All of us know exactly what they talk about.